Hey guys, welcome to Heartdeco Wonders. Today I'm showing you how to install our cat treadmill. Say hello to our big box. So we're just opening up the box and then I'm going to show you all the contents inside. Let's run through all the parts. Okay, so let's start with the installation. So we're going to be using the C planks over here, the E and the F planks, as well as the A and the F planks for the first step. Then over here we have the R wheels, a packet of screws, the I wheels, a screwdriver, a roll of tape, some gloves, and then we also have this non-slip sticky thing. And the M spiral tubes. So we're going to be taking our M tubes and then we're going to be inserting them on the sides of each of the planks laid out over here. So first up, we're going to be taking our P board with our R wheel and a Q screw. And we're going to be putting that together. Next up, we're taking our A planks with our J screws and our I wheel, and we're just securing those at either side. So now we will be installing all of the A's and the P's and the C's into the B's. So we're taking our A plank and then placing it on the innermost slot here on the B plank, just like that. Then you will be taking your screw and then fastening it through here on the other side. Now we are taking our P plank and doing the same on the top slot over there. Okay, so round about now it should look something like this. Then you will be taking your C plank and then you'll be inserting it on the outer slot over there and then fastening it with 2 screws. So now everything you did on this side, let's do it on the other side as well. So now both sides are completed and then we're just going to take the other side of B and then just fasten it over there at the top with your L screws. So now our base is complete. We're just going to move that aside and go on to the next steps. So we're going to start off with our D frame and then we're going to show you the difference between 2 of the E and the F planks. As you can see, here are 2 ports over here. So we'll be keeping these aside for later. You're going to be connecting the ones with the 1 port in between each of these at the D frame. So we'll just add the top piece over here and then we're going to connect that like on all the pieces. So now before we put the top piece over here, we're going to be inserting the double E slots into the connection over here. And then you're going to just slide it together and then place the D over here. Connect the middle pieces with K screws and the rest with L screws. So we'll be connecting the last 2 pieces over here to make a full circle and then add the top with your K and your L screws. Okay, let's take a break. Moving on to the next step. So we'll now be connecting our G reinforcements over here on the sides that are left with our K screws. So now we're almost ready to let the good times roll. We're going to be placing our wheel on top of the base, just like this. So now we're going to be inserting the lock. You're going to be placing the fishtail inside the lock and then connecting your N screw to that slot over there. So if you want to unlock, you can just press down and then press up to tighten into that slot over there. Okay, so now for the last part of the installation, we'll be adding the Velcro strap on the inside of the wheel. So you're just going to paste along the sides, just like that. Now for the absolute final part, we're going to be inserting the mat by connecting it to the Velcro pieces that you just placed on the inside of the wheel. Okay guys, so here it is. After such a long time, your cat treadmill, all installed and ready to spin. Available online at www.heartdeco.co.za. Please like, subscribe, and follow us for more.